Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode in Moto G24 Power Smartphone. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we go in accessibility, and here if we go in system controls, here we have one-handed mode. Now tap on it and simply tap over there to enable the one-handed mode. So you can see pull screen into reach, and you can see pull down to the top half of your screen so that it's easier to reach with one hand. So like this, here you can see, just swipe down to the center of the bottom like this to go in one-handed mode. You can see now it is in one-handed mode. You can see using one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. Just pull. Okay, now open an application. Now pull it like this to go in one-handed mode, and tap outside to again go in full screen mode. You can see pull down to the center of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this. Here you can see pull down to go in one-handed mode like this, and again tap outside to go in full screen mode. Here you can see now it is in one-handed mode, and if we tap outside it will again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in Moto G24 Power Smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.